Hello, my name is Ian, and I'm the service technician at Ecolawn, and today I will show you how to replace the differential on an Eco 250. Jack the machine, remove the tires, and place the machine on jack stands. Uninstall the bolts from the differential support. Remove the differential support bracket. Mark on the frame where the differential is located. Replace the differential. Install the differential support bracket. Place the bolts in the flangettes, but do not tighten. Install the bolts for the differential support, but do not tighten. Place the bearing of the differential on the marked position and tighten the bolts on both sides. Tighten the differential support bolts and tighten the bearing collar with thread locker. Tighten the flangette bolts to the differential support bracket. Reinstall the tires and remove the machine from the jack stands. Thank you for watching this video. If you require further technical assistance, do not hesitate to contact Ecolawn Applicator at the number or email shown on the screen. Before contacting us, have your serial number ready and be sure to register your machine on our website. The warranty may be void if the machine is not registered.